Top 3 private DNS settings to supercharge your internet speed. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will guide you with the 3 private DNS settings to supercharge your internet speed. The first and the foremost is Cloudflare DNS. It stands out because it is widely known as the fastest public DNS because of its expansive global network and anycast routing. For the next DNS, we have Control D and Clean Browsing. Control D report that it filters out ads effectively even when streaming apps offering faster and cleaner browsing experiences. These filters reduce unwanted traffic, enhancing browsing speed and safety. And the third one is Quad9 DNS. It is operated by a Swiss nonprofit under strong privacy laws. Quad9 filters out malicious domains using real-time threat intelligence. Servers spread across continents deliver reliable resolution speeds and consistent uptime. So these were private DNS settings to supercharge your internet speed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.